Leaders who have been able to drive that within the organizations are the successful companies and what we call the top companies in the market. And investors will certainly look towards fundamentally strong companies. So the quick answer is those who have really looked at the top and bottom line.
On to Rajeev. Rajeev, I'm sure you interact with lots of organizations, their leaders, and you're also having that front row view to the market performance of these organizations as well. What's the connection you see between good corporate leadership and good market performance? And have you noticed any special attribute of some of these leaders of the corporate sector where that quality leads to good market performance as well?
I think, Sarindu, those corporates that are successful are those who concentrate on the fundamentals of the company. You look at top line and bottom line, and those are the real winners. Because if you look at investment from an investor perspective, they will look at companies ultimately. A good long-term investor will look at the fundamentals of a company. It's not about the share price or the share trend. They will look at the fundamental, what are the good, fundamentally strong, good companies. And it is those leaders who understand that, who have identified it and driven growth within the organizations, fundamentally good driven growth. So they are looking at basically growth of assets, the top line growth, and ultimately the bottom line. And those are the ones, the successful companies. And I think leaders who have been able to drive that within the organizations are the successful companies and what we call the top companies in the market. And investors will certainly look towards fundamentally strong companies. So the quick answer is those who have really looked at the top and bottom line.
So who's able to have eyes on multiple key aspects at the same time. Thank you so much.